Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. In the previous video, we discussed all the major topics available in the FortiGate web interfaces and got an overview of what each section is used for. From this video onwards, we will start the practical labs and learn each features in details with real examples. Today I am going to show you how to change the FortiGate host name and configure the correct time zone settings. So we will navigate to the system. Inside the system we have to go to the settings. Here you can see the host name. The host name is the name of the FortiGate device. It helps administrators easily identify the firewall when managing multiple devices in the network. We can give any name for the firewall as per the branch, as per the location, as per the project name. We can enter here, like for example 40, for example FW, for example FortiGate dash HDAMS tech. This is useful for monitoring and managing. And also current system time we can change as per the time region. We can select the time region from here. As per your locality you can change the time zone. And here we can see here NTP is used to automatically synchronize the FortiGate clock with a time server on the internet or inside your network. So it will show you accurate date and time, important for log reports and VPN certification and troubleshooting. It automatically updates the time. For most environments, NTP is the recommended option. What about PTP? PTP is a precious time protocol. Purpose: PTP provides much more accurate time synchronization than NTP, often down to microseconds. Extremely accurate timing it will show you, but it rarely need in normal business network and more complex to configure this one. And also we have manual settings, allow you to manually set the date and time from here. You can but it is not recommended for production networks to set manual setting. And there is an option here, set device a local NTP server. Makes the FortiGate act as an NTP server for other devices on your network. How it works: FortiGate gets accurate time from FortiGuard or another NTP sources like PC, switches, access point and other devices get time from the FortiGate easily. Example FortiGate, it gets time from FortiGuard. Switches get time from FortiGate. Access point get time from FortiGate. It is like a centralized time management. All devices use the same time sources, useful for enterprise networks. But it requires NTP clients to be configured properly. You can see here listen interfaces. The listen on interfaces options tells the FortiGate on which network interface it should provide the internet service. In simple words, it decides which devices are allowed to connect the FortiGate for time synchronization when the FortiGate is acting as a local NTP server. If you enable setup device as a local NTP server is enabled, device connected to the FortiLink interface can get time from the FortiGate. Devices on other interfaces like LAN, WAN, DMZ cannot use the FortiGate as an NTP server unless those interfaces are also allowed. So these are the simple steps to change the host name and time settings on the FortiGate firewall. As you can see, configuring these settings is important for proper device identification, accurate logging, and smooth network operations. So remaining like administration settings and these all settings, pow password policy, workflow management, view settings, startup settings, email services, debug logs, disk settings. These are all important, but we'll cover after. And if you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and comment. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming FortiGate labs and tutorials. Thank you for watching.